Hey guys, welcome back to KB's Rush Revival. Today we're back on the 420 project. We're just gonna get some of the grease off of it and kind of clean it up. Yeah, so we'll get washing it, and Hank here, he's gonna help us until we start the pressure washer. I don't know how well you guys can see this. This is still big, like years and years of grease. This is how thick it really is down here. I mean, I've had some nasty, greasy stuff before, but I think this one takes the cake. I mean, we're using the red chip on here, and it's blasted most of it, but it's so thick. Well, this is gonna take a minute, but we'll keep going. It's probably gonna be put out in the yard for a while. I don't know how long it's gonna take to find an engine for it. I don't know if we said it in the last video when we were on this, but it does have a cracked block. One of the cylinders is cracked. So I don't think you can sleeve these. I could be wrong, but I don't know. So we're just gonna kind of clean it up and dull it up so we can stick it out front here of the shop. And yeah, I have no leads on an engine or anything yet. If anybody out there knows of a good 420 engine, 430 engine, or 440. Plus this is also Kaylee's tractor too now, so she's got to figure out how to drive it, but we got to have an engine in it first. For now, I guess this is goodbye for this one, and we'll
might decorate it for Christmas though.
Yeah, we'll put the Grinch on the seat and maybe Jack for Halloween. You never know.
We'll show you.
Forget to like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.